I'm Asha Nair. I live in Cochin in Kerala. It's been almost 2 decades that I've been working as an artist. And now I have a team of 5 independent artists who come under the auspices of House of Batak, HOB. So as a team, we have all come here and to the State Art Gallery of Hyderabad to do our solo shows in the 5 galleries of HOB, the 5 galleries of the State Art Gallery of Hyderabad. And it's an enriching experience for me to do a solo because this is the first time I've been doing my solo exhibition. I have brought in the folklore and the culture of Kerala. I'm trying to showcase that in Kerala, showcasing that culture and folklore of Kerala. I have brought those paintings to Hyderabad. This is all related to Kathakali, Theyyam, the Sarpakava, the beaches of Kerala, and the percussionist that you see, and some portraits of Ravi Verma, which I had made during the process of learning. That's how the journey starts. We have been a group that has been doing group exhibitions since quite a long time. This is our first attempt to do a solo. Anyway, thanks to the divine, it's come out really well. Thank you.
My name is Prashant. I'm coming from Kochi. This is my 6th solo exhibition in State Gallery of Art, Hyderabad. My exhibition name is Vembanad. Vembanad is one of the biggest lake in Kerala. My exhibition theme is Vembanad because I am experiencing the life living near to the Vembanad lake. That is my exhibition theme, and I capture the beautiful sceneries of Vembanad and the lifestyle from the Vembanad, the fishermen's of lifestyle of fishermen's, and the birds and the beautiful sunsets and the beautiful seascape. I mean the waterscape. That is my exhibition theme. I really enjoy the galleries. The exhibition started on 24th and it is ending on the Sunday, 29th. And I heartily welcome to the gallery. Please visit the gallery and support all the artists. Thank you so much.
hello. I'm Anupama Raji from Kochi. I'm doing my solo here, in Hyderabad. My works are mainly acrylic on canvas, and there are there are 5 works of mixed media on paper, which depicts a relationship between nature and nature, in the sense insects and trees, and how they live and how their lives are entwined. Then there is main chunk of my works are feminine energy flowing through, with their lives entwined between your human and the other humans. So these are my different kind of works which I've showcased here. Please do come and visit. We are on till 29th of March. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Myra Suman. I'm an artist from Odisha. I live in Kerala. So this is an exhibition at the State Art Gallery, Hyderabad. It's my first solo exhibition. It's called The Fly. It's my full series, full body of work, which deals with contrast at every level. It plays at how one sees things. In spite of the bolder backgrounds, in spite of the bigger animals, in their most natural poetic pose, the attention goes to the smallest thing on the canvas, and it just pays attention to how small matters.
So hi, hello, I'm Ashwati Ravindran. I am an assistant professor by profession, and I'm also an artist, and I come from Kochi. So this is my first solo exhibition, and I've come along with 5 other artists. So we are 5 of us are a team, and we have collectively doing the solo shows in each of the 5 galleries in the State Art Gallery of Hyderabad. So my exhibition is titled as Between the Mist and Memory, and I paint mostly treescapes and forestscapes and tonalist landscapes. And my go-to mediums are acrylic and oil paints. So if you can see around, like almost all my paintings are in oil paint or acrylic, and I have the themes like elephants and the treescapes, and there are some abstract landscapes that are over there. So like each of us 5 artists, like we have got our own separate themes, significant themes that we relate to. So yeah, this is our exhibition. So I am particularly fascinated by the theme of elephants. So if you can see around, I have a lot of paintings regarding elephants. So this one elephant, this is completely in tonalist landscape, and I have done this in oil paint. And this is completely a figment of my imagination. So the reason how I started elephant was from that painting. If you can see, this one is a 3 into 3 feet painting an acrylic medium. So there was this whole huge news going on about one particular elephant in Kerala. This was around 2 years before. So this elephant was fondly called by the people as Arikomban. Now Ari means rice in Kerala, and Komban means the one with tusk. Okay, so this one particular elephant used to roam around to the villages nearby, and he used to particularly go into these ration shops and steal rice. Okay, and people were kind of getting upset about the whole issue. They couldn't do anything, and finally the government intervened. And the government, what they had to do was to take action, and they have to completely, take this elephant and put him to another completely different territory near Tamil Nadu border. So it was a very kind of very upsetting news to see that this one particular elephant was roaming all alone. They had put the tracker in him, and this one particular elephant was roaming all alone in an unfamiliar territory, away from his familiar beings and surroundings. So he was completely all alone roaming around there. So this sparked a huge debate in Kerala regarding the territory between animals and human beings, how we can own the place, or how we can consider place of our own, how these animals also have got the right towards one particular area. So this whole issue started kind of, people started debating about it, and this garnered attention from a lot of people. So that's how I ended up doing this one particular painting. Now this one scene was stuck in my mind, how this one lonely elephant was roaming all alone in a completely unfamiliar territory. So I have titled this painting as The Lonely Wanderer. And that's how I started doing more and more of elephant painting based on this one elephant story. So thank you for visiting. So if you are in and around Hyderabad, please do visit us. Please do come around and see our artworks as such. Okay, thank you. Mm-hmm.